Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Gulshan Education Wali and I am a student of Rehan School System of Level 2. Today I am here again with another TEDx talk review, that is the review of Rishma Sujani, and that TEDx talk is Teach Girls Bravery, Not Perfection. If I say something about TEDx talk, this TEDx talk, the main idea of in this TEDx talk, Rishma Sujani argues that society teach girls to be perfect and wise to be brave. This difference in socialization leads girl to avoid risk and failure, and it holds them back from opportunities in leadership, in innovation, in technology, and also in politics. In this TEDx talk, Sujani shares her own experience of running for US Congress despite being told she couldn't win. A bold act that she considers her first brave moment because she did it even though she didn't want to be perfect. This story shows how bravery, not perfection, opens doors in life. Sujani calls this the bravery deficit. Because girls are taught to avoid risk, they are less likely to take chances in careers like science, engineering, business, leadership, or politics. This hurts not just women, but entire societies that lose out on all the talent pool. She argues and she emphasizes that by teaching girls how to code, a skill full of trial and error, Sujani found that coding helps girls become comfortable with failure and risk. Coding teaches perseverance, experimentation, and problem solving. All forms of bravery. Uh, these are all the forms of bravery. Examples for brave girls, in this TEDx talk, she mentions girls who use technology creatively to fight taboos or help others. Examples of bravery, problem solving, and persistence. Sujani argues and want to take an urge for everyone to encourage girls to take risks, embrace imperfection, and be brave. This culture shift can unlock innovation, leadership, and equality. If I say something about Rishma Sujani is a well-known American lawyer, activist, author, and social entrepreneur, best known for her work empowering women and girls, especially in technology and leadership. She is the founder of the non-profit Girls Who Code, which work to close the gender gap in technology and computer science, and has reached millions of young women globally. She born in 18th November 1975 in Chicago, USA. Uh, she is the daughter of Indian immigrant parents who fled persecution in Uganda. She studied at the University of Illinois She started her career as a lawyer and a democratic political organizer. In 2010, became the first Indian American woman to run for US Congress. Later served as a deputy public advocate for New York City. She found Girls Who Code in 2012, which has taught hundreds of thousands of girls to code and changed how teach education is delivered. She also found Moms First, advocating for paid family leave, affordable childcare, and economic support for moms. Also, she is the author of some books that are brave, not perfect, pay up, the future of women and work, Girls Who Code books series. She hosts the podcast My So-Called Midlife, which became a hit on Apple Podcasts. Her TEDx talk teach girls bravery, not perfection, has been viewed by tens of millions globally, encouraging girls to embrace risk and failure as part of learning. She is recognized on lists such as Fortune's World Greatest Leaders, Forbes' Most Powerful Women, and Fast Company Most Creative People. Her TEDx talk is an example, and her life also is an example of bravery. And she delivered this message by her TEDx talk. Thank you so much.